Hello. Hello. Today I'm going to talk about composition. That's better, isn't it? This is how you recognize me. So why am I positioned like this then? Well, first of all, this is a talking head video. This is what a lot of you will be doing. We're just going to talk to our audience. And what happens is often that people frame themselves in the middle of the camera. So I'm now centering myself so my eyes and my face is bang in the middle of the camera. And if you're even wider, you're going to see that there's a lot of space above my head. And sometimes, especially if people are working on their laptop, it will be angled. So you see up my nose, and you will also see the Christmas decoration, which is packed away on the shelf behind me at the top over there. So lower your camera to eye level first of all, and bring it so you're either centered, or the reason I am on the side is because I'm showing you information on the plain backdrop on the side, right? So most of the time you'd probably hang out in the middle. So another thing with composition is that you don't want to cut too close, and you don't want to cut my neck, because you saw in the beginning of this video that it's just too close basically. And I have to say something, I don't know how old you are obviously, but I'm getting to an age when I am not really enjoying what I see always in the mirror, and I don't want to be close to the camera because you're going to see all my wrinkles, all my brown spots, and everything that is going on in an old woman's face. So obviously the further away from the camera you are, the less people are going to see if you're worried about your look. And you know what, if you're not, congratulations, but you're one of a few. Most of us, we are a little bit, concerned about our looks, and that's absolutely fine. And we all have different degrees of vanity, and you obviously need to make sure that you feel your best when you go in front of the camera. So I wear makeup, I put on a foundation and mascara and all that before I go on camera, because it makes me feel better about myself. So have a think about what you can do to make yourself feel better. You're not going to go out for a dinner with friends just looking like you've walked out of bed, so you're not going to go on camera when a potential 100 people can watch your video, or 100,000 if you do well. So the composition is important to think about. You don't want to be too far to the side because you're going to fall out. You don't want to be too low because you're going to look like it's just a head. And you don't want to be too high, obviously, because we need to see the space around your head. So position yourself either in the middle or a bit to the side if you have things going on the side. I hope that was helpful. Now I want to see you do a video today, and today's task is actually to think about all the things you have learned so far in this video course, and I want you to just share something that you're really passionate about, because when you share that passion, that's when we really see the glow in your eyes and you become much more open and charismatic. So just share what you either for work are passionate about, or something in life. It doesn't have to be work related. It could be just something that you really enjoy doing in your free time, and show that in a video, 2 minutes maximum, and just see it as a practice. So don't do a million takes again, just do it short, make it concise, and make yourself glow a little for us. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in our finale tomorrow, which is going to be something very different that I've never done before. So you are going to be my test bunnies, and I'm actually a bit concerned about how you're going to receive it. So you're going to have to let me know and give me feedback, because it's big and it's quite cool. I'll see you tomorrow.